Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to thank you for liking, sharing, and of course subscribing to my channel. So today we're gonna make cinnamon rolls. This is my first time making it, so let's see how it turns out. Alright, so I have my ingredients here. I'm gonna use 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, lime juice, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm also gonna use brown sugar, cornstarch, and butter for the filling of the cinnamon rolls. So when we get there, we will talk about that. Okay, so I'm gonna add my sugar to my flour, 2 cups of flour, and I'm just gonna mix that and put it away. We're just gonna set it aside. Now we're going to prepare our liquid ingredients. So I'm going to add my milk, my 1 egg, my coconut oil, my baking soda, and my lime juice. Now I'm going to add my liquid ingredient to my dry ingredients. Okay, my dough is now ready. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let it set for an hour. Yes, this has risen a bit. Okay, that's good. All right, so now I'm gonna put a little flour on the table because you don't want your dough to be sticking to the table. No, we don't want that. Then I'm gonna use a rolling pin to roll my dough. Okay guys, remember I said this is my first time making this, so I was a bit iffy if I'm to do this, or I was a bit concerned, but I just went ahead and did it. I just went ahead and did what I thought was right. Okay, so definitely next time I'm gonna cut the edges to just make it look a bit more presentable. It's my first time, so Okay, so I'm gonna roll my dough and then I'm just gonna brush the excess flour from the dough. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and add half stick of butter, unsalted butter, and you want this butter to be at a room temperature, so you have to take it from the fridge like 2 hours before. Okay, then I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar to my dough, and then I'm gonna add just a little teaspoon of white sugar, and of course the cinnamon. Yes guys, and then I use my roller, just roll those onto my dough to get them even, right? Then I went in with a little bit of cornstarch and then I roll my dough. Wow, I'm so excited. Okay, so I then went ahead and prepare my sheet, grease it, and now I'm gonna roll the dough. I'm gonna roll it from the bottom up to the top. And then I'm gonna cut the dough. Now I did not measure this, I just went ahead and cut. Add the cinnamon rolls to the sheet, and then I'm gonna cover it again because it have to rise a little bit. So I'm gonna put it away for like 40 minutes in a warm area and allow to rise. After 40 minutes, I went ahead, put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 375 degrees. And then voila! Yes guys, these came out so good. Okay, that white thing you're seeing on the top, I just use cheese, milk. So I just blend it up and pour it over. But I like this. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Remember to also share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again in the next video.